If you want to install Gboard on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store. And once we open the Play Store, we're going to tap on search at the bottom of the screen. Then we can use the search field at the top, and then we can type Gboard. There we go. We should be able to find the Gboard pretty easily, the Google keyboard, of course. And we're going to tap on install. Of course, we need to wait for the app to be downloaded and installed on our phone. And once you have the app installed, now you should be able to tap on open. Of course, we need to enable the keyboard, so we're going to tap on enable in settings. And here we have Gboard and we have the switcher, so we're going to turn it on. Press OK. Now we can go back and we're going to tap on select input method. So now we can choose Gboard to be the default keyboard on our phone, and then we are done. Well, you should be able to immediately open Gboard settings, so if you need to make some tweaks, if you want to make some adjustments, then you can easily do so. And now if you open the keyboard, you should be able to see the Gboard now. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.